guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we're gonna be doing same expressions as we did. The unit is the same and we're gonna do a different topic today. So we're gonna do evaluating expressions. So evaluating expressions, we need to first know what evaluate means. So when we are evaluating, we are finding the numerical expression or an equivalent ratio for equation, formula, or function. So this is the definition for evaluating. We find a numerical expression. So since we are evaluating expressions, today we're going to get an answer in a numeric form. So it's not going to be an expression or an equation or a formula. It is going to be a simple numerical answer. So now let's move on to our first question. So here we have our first question. It says the expression 9.99D plus 12.99C can be used to find the total cost for D pounds of almonds and C pounds of cashews. How much does it cost to buy 1 1/2 pounds of almonds and 2 1/2 pounds of cashews? So let's see what we are given in this problem. We are given the expression, which is 9.99D plus 12.99C, and we are given that the D equals pounds for almonds and C equals pounds for cashews. And we need to find, we are going to substitute those D and C values for 1/2 pounds of almonds and 2/2 pounds of cashews. So let's do this. So first, we're going to rewrite the expression that we're given. So we're given 9.99D. So we need to find the value for D. So it says D is the pounds for almonds. And how many pounds are we given for almonds? 1 1/2. So we're going to multiply it by 1 1/2. So here we have our first one. Then we're going to add it because we're going to find the total cost for both of them. We're going to multiply 12.99 by C, which is the value for C, 2 1/2 pounds. So 2 1/2 pounds for cashews. So now let's start to multiply first because we're going to use the PEMDAS rules to answer this question. So we first multiply and then we're going to add in the end the total cost to find the total cost for all of the almonds and the cashews. So now we have 9.99 times 1 1/2. So if we multiply 9.99 times 1 1/2, we will get 14.985. So 14.985 plus we are going to multiply 12.99 by 2 1/2, and if we do that, we will get 32.475. So 32.475. Now we are left with addition. So now we are just going to add 14.985 with 32.475, which will give us 47.46. So that is our total cost for 1 1/2 pounds of almonds and 2 1/2 pounds of cashews. So our answer is going to be $47.46. So that is how we evaluate. So if we are given the values of the variables that are in the expression, and we are going to just substitute those variables with the values that we are given. And that is how we do an expression. So now let's move on to our second question that we have. So here we have our second question. It says the cost to rent a scooter is $15.50 per hour, and the cost to rent a watercraft is $22.80 per hour. use the expression 15.5s plus 22.8w to determine how much it would cost to rent a scooter for 31 half hours and a watercraft for 1/3/4 hours. So, first we need to underline the important information that we're given. So we are given that this expression, the first expression that we are given here, we are also given those values in the problem. It says this 15.5s represents that it costs $15.50 per hour to rent a scooter. So this shows for scooter, and this 22.8w shows that it takes $22 for a watercraft, to rent a watercraft per hour. So now what we're gonna do, we're given the values for scooter as 31 half hours and a watercraft for 1/3/4 hours. So we are going to substitute these values in the expression. So 15.5 s equals 31 half hours, and we're going to add, and we're going to do 22.8 multiplied by 1/3/4 hours. So now we're going to start multiplying these together. So if we multiply 15.5 times 3/1/2, we will get 54.25. So we will get 54.25 if we multiply this. Plus, we are going to multiply 22.8 by 1/3/4, and if we do that, we will get 39.9. So plus 39.9. Now we're just going to add these values, and if we do that, what we will get? We will get $94.15. So 94.15. So our answer for the second question is 94.15. So that's just how we evaluate it. As I said before, we're given the values and we are given the variables. So we're given the values for the variables in the expression, and we substitute those to get our answer and to evaluate our expression. So that is it for today's video. If you guys like the video and learned something through the video, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell so you get a notification every time a new video comes out.